Meaning of hinged.
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 Hinged. Hinged refers to something that is attached or connected at one end, allowing it to swing or pivot around that point. A hinged object typically consists of two parts, such as a door or a lid, with one part attached by a hinge to the other, enabling it to open and close. Hinges are used in a wide range of applications, from furniture and cabinetry to doors and windows. The advantage of using hinges is that they offer a stable and reliable way of connecting two objects while enabling easy movement and operation.